Welcome to this video, where we delve into the fascinating journey of Enlightenment, a lightweight and highly customizable desktop environment for Unix-like systems. We'll explore its history, forks, features, advantages, and drawbacks. Let's get started. Enlightenment, often referred to as E, was created by Carsten Heitzler, also known as Rasterman, in 1997. Initially, it started as a window manager for X11, but over the years, it evolved into a full-fledged desktop environment. Enlightenment gained popularity for its eye-catching graphics and extensive customizability at a time when most other window managers were relatively basic. Its design philosophy emphasized aesthetic appeal and efficiency, making it a favorite among users who wanted more control over their desktop experience. Throughout its development, Enlightenment has inspired several forks and variants, each adding unique features and improvements. E16, Enlightenment DR16. This is the 16th version of Enlightenment and is still maintained today. It's known for its simplicity, speed, and stability. E17, Enlightenment DR17. Released after a long development period, E17 introduced many new features and a more modern look. It served as a foundation for many future developments. Moksha is a continuation of E17 created by the developers of Bodhi Linux. It retains the lightweight and efficient nature of E17 while integrating new features and bug fixes. Enlightenment is packed with features that make it stand out. Lightweight and fast. Enlightenment is designed to be lightweight, using minimal system resources. This makes it ideal for older hardware and systems with limited resources. Highly customizable. Users can extensively customize the appearance and behavior of their desktop environment. Themes, modules, and widgets can be tailored to create a unique user experience. Elegant and modern design. It boasts an elegant and modern interface with smooth animations and effects, thanks to its built-in composite manager. Modular architecture. Enlightenment's modular architecture allows users to enable or disable specific components and features as needed. Integration with EFL, Enlightenment Foundation Libraries. EFL provides a set of libraries for creating powerful and efficient graphical applications, ensuring a consistent look and feel across the environment. Advantages of Enlightenment. Performance. Its lightweight nature ensures fast performance even on older hardware, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Customization. The extensive customization options allow users to personalize their desktop environment to their liking. Visual appeal. Enlightenment combines lightweight performance with visually appealing effects and animations. Flexibility. It can function as both a standalone desktop environment and a window manager for other desktop environments. Drawbacks of Enlightenment. Learning curve. The extensive customization options can be overwhelming for new users, leading to a steeper learning curve compared to more straightforward environments. Smaller community. Compared to more popular desktop environments like GNOME or KDE Plasma, Enlightenment has a smaller user and developer community, which can affect the availability of support and resources. Infrequent updates. While Enlightenment is actively maintained, updates and new releases can be less frequent than those of other desktop environments. Enlightenment is a unique desktop environment that balances performance, customization, and visual appeal. Its history of innovation and evolution has inspired several forks, each contributing to its rich feature set. While it has its drawbacks, such as a steeper learning curve and a smaller community, its advantages make it an excellent choice for users looking for a lightweight and customizable desktop experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.